So to run through the simulation at any time, you can select pause and pick simulate to end. Now, since we have not selected any areas for machining like a containment region or part surfaces for machining, the toolpath is generated for the entire part geometry. So to exclude and only machine around the areas where you have freeform and sculpted surfaces, you could select a machining region. The machining region could be a closed curve, which you could select under part regions. It could be a surface boundary, which could be a chain of, you can pick a surface and then, RhinoCam automatically extracts the edges, the boundary curves along the surface, or it could be selecting flat areas or even predefined region. Now in this particular example, I'm going to use select curve edge regions, and I'll pick this curve as the containment region and generate the toolpath. So selecting the curve as a containment region will basically limit the toolpath to the area that you specified. So it'll basically clip the toolpath to this region, and the region that you select can be parallel to your XY plane, and it could be anywhere along the Z axis. So we now picked a region. Now you can tell that by looking at this model, the toolpath is not getting all the way down on the side because the region I've selected, the tooltip stays to the region, so it's not offset further enough. So I can either, if I want to use the same tool, I would have to offset the region slightly towards the outside. I can do that in Rhino by offsetting the region slightly towards the outside and then go pick the larger containment region and generate the toolpath. Or if I'd like to choose a smaller tool, I can go ahead and swap it out. Instead of a 1/2 inch, I could swap it out to a smaller tool. So now simulating the toolpath, once it's generated, you will notice that the toolpath stays to the region that we've defined. Again, I'm going to choose pause and then go to end, simulate to end to run through the simulation.